Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 465 Ontario Drive on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is an amazing architect-designed lake home on over 70 feet of waterfront. So let's take a tour.
This is brilliant contemporary living with an open concept, featuring an updated eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and an island with a breakfast bar. Open to a dining area with beautiful hardwood floors and deck access, and a living area with a designer's eye, featuring a two-way gas fireplace, leading to the sitting area with a wall of windows, all with scenic lake views. The first floor also features 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry, including a waterfront master suite with cathedral ceilings and a walk-in closet. A modern staircase leads to a second-floor loft with flexible living space for an office or a master bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom and incredible lake views.
Just off the great room is an entertainment-sized deck. Enjoy over 70 feet of waterfront from an expansive cantilever deck and concrete patios. Ontario Drive is a rare and private neighborhood of fine lakefront homes, close to Webster, with easy access to all of Monroe County. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 465 Ontario Drive on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!